Hello friends, Tony here, welcome. Into this video, I want to talk about a new application, a new agentic coding application. I think right now we are going to have a battle between agentic coding applications. I have open, let's see, one is the Polyscope, one is the Codex, another one is this T3 code, another one is the Claude Code, and also the open code. And maybe we have more, but I just have downloaded only what I found on the internet. And now we have a new one, which is this Solo. If you go to soloterm.com, and this is created by the Aaron Francis. He is well known on Laravel community. And also this one is the same, almost the same, but yeah. For example, this T3 code is very simple. You can open the project here. Okay, I can open the project and you have here a chat. Yes, you can choose here between models. Right now is only the Codex, but yeah, coming soon the Claude Code, Cursor, Open Code, and Gemini. With the Open Code, also here we have, you can choose the models, which is also this one, the same as the T3 code. Then we have the Codex, almost the same. And yeah, Codex has only the GPT models. Cloud Code has only the cloud models, and Polyscope. Polyscope offers the cloud and also Codex models, only these two providers. But Polyscope is, if you work with Laravel, I think is very good. Next, we have this Solo. So I'm going to open this Solo term and I'm going to make it full win. Let's change here the font. Okay, so you can go to notification, sidebar, hotkeys. You have agents also. Yeah, Gemini, Open Code, Cloud, Codex, AMP, tools, integrations, and the account. You have free account, which is you can open only 4 projects. If you want more, you can go and buy this solo term. So if I open again this Google Chrome, here we have pricing. Is free up to 4 projects, up to 20 processes total, and all features included, and so on. But if you want more projects and more processes total, you can buy that for 99 first year and then 69 a year. See what we can do with this. I have here, we have this, which is by default this project. Let me remove this project, and we can add a project by right click on the project, and you can add a project. So let's add an example here, or feedback HU, which I created. And you can see, because this is saying that is Laravel is going to include serve, PHP artisan serve, queue, PHP artisan queue work, logs if you want, scheduler if you want, fail if you want, and also point if you want. And on the auto start, so when this is going to start, if you want to auto start this PHP artisan serve, click here. I think this is more feature rich as other applications. Enable the auto start and also create this solo.yaml file. And I'm going to add 4 processes. Okay, here we have now this feedback. If I want to start, we can click here, so start here. We have agents, we have terminal, and then we have commands. Fail, so now the npm run dev is here, and we can see port 51 is in use, so try another one, and it's going to try this. I have this in use because I have opened this vid1. If I am here, and this is vid1. Okay, and then we have this serve, and then we have also the queue, but I'm not going to open the queue. Here, if I click here, it's going to open the localhost. And why is that? because let me just open the terminal here. Okay, I'm going to open this now with VS Code. And inside the .env file, we have here localhost. Let's change that the feedback hq.test. I'm going to save. And now let's see. Now if I say restart here, okay, and now if I click here, it's going to open that in the feedback hq.test. This is very good for Laravel if you work with Laravel projects. And yeah, you can open agents here. So for example, Gemini, Open Code, Cloud Code, Codex. So let's open Open Code, which is free. And yeah, we can play now with the AI. This is just Open Code. We can ask here. So for example, I'm going to say remove everything on welcome page and add only h1 with text hello from solo. Okay, thinking, and now this is a open code thing. This is not something special. We can see what is done, but I think I like this more than the others. Also, the Aaron Francis is well known on the Laravel community. So as you can see now, done welcome page now only contains the h1 hello from solo, which means if I come here and refresh, we have this hello from solo. Okay friends, that's it what I wanted to show you in this video. A new agent coding application, but a feature-rich agent coding application. It's not almost the same as the others. So with the T3 code, for example, yeah, we have only the we can add projects. We can choose here chat, full access. Yeah, we can work with work trees. We can push and so on. But for local development with more commands, as you can see, when we added the Laravel project, we have the options to add queue, npm, PHP artisan serve, and so on. Also choose the agents. We can stop all, so we can stop here all of the commands. The same thing we can do to this one. We can then start, we can refresh, and so on. That's it all about this video and I wanted to show you, friends. Now if you like such a videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, share with your friends, and see you in the next one. All the best. Thank you very much.